Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us see how to prepare pakora with health drink mix powder. The video link for the preparation of the health drink mix powder is given in the description box. If you want, you can click it. For the pakoras, we need 1 cup of health drink mix powder. To this, add a quarter cup of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of fried gram, half a teaspoon cumin seeds, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and a huge pinch of Asafetida, that is Hing, 1 or 2 chopped green chillies, handful of curry leaves, 1 small onion chopped, and the required amount of salt. Now sprinkle water little by little and crumble this. Add water little by little and give a nice mix. It has to be like this. Now let us fry them in hot oil. Turn both sides and cook in a medium flame until it is crispy. This is crispy and ready. We can take it out now. Crispy health drink mix pakora is ready. Hope you like it. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.